I'm making a wild blueberry whipped feta dip. It's another way to use this wild blueberry syrup that I made. Wild blueberry syrup is just equal parts frozen or fresh wild blueberries with water and then half a cup of sugar, a little bit of lemon juice at the end, reduced down and strained and popped in the fridge. One way that I incorporate it is into this delicious dip, which requires no cooking and is a perfect way to throw together an appetizer. To make it, I'm gonna have 8 ounces of feta cheese that I'm gonna put right here in a food processor, along with 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt, just a plain Greek yogurt. Pop that in there. Now to that, I'm going to add the zest of 1 lemon. This gives it just a really wonderful floral, aromatic brightness. It smells so good. Pop that in there, scrape that down, beautiful. And then I'm gonna add my wild blueberry syrup. I'm gonna add about 4 tablespoons. It'll give it a beautiful purple color. Then I'm going to pop on this lid and blend it until it's smooth and creamy. Different feta will have different water content, so you may need to blend it for longer. But keep blending, tasting, and seeing how the texture is. All right, I think that's ready. I'm gonna blend it for a solid 2 to 3 minutes. What I love about using wild blueberries is that it has that really potent, intense blueberry flavor. And that comes from all of that nutrition and antioxidants. Look at that beautiful color. And it goes so nicely with these rainbow vegetables. It's so fun to have a lot of color on the plate. It makes the food come alive, and I think it makes the food taste better. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top. Okay, and I'm gonna finish with a little bit of a garnish. I have some mint and some parsley. Fresh herbs always make things taste better, in my opinion. So we're gonna finely chop those up. It doesn't have to be perfect. All right, I'm gonna take about, I don't know, a nice tablespoon and sprinkle that over the top. That looks so pretty. I'm gonna add some of these rainbow little baby tomatoes here to round out the colors on this plate. I've got golden tomatoes, green ones, red ones, a whole heirloom variety. Really celebrates health here, and it tastes so flavorful. You have that creamy feta, that beautiful purple color from the wild blueberries. Everyone's going to be reaching for more. Give this a try. I think you're gonna love it.